Hello everyone, Coach Doug here. Every year about this time we spend time purging, spring cleaning. We clean our homes, we clean out our closets, our garages, our basements. We get rid of stuff. It always leaves us with a sense of accomplishment. But spring cleaning doesn't just apply to our houses. It applies to our businesses too. It's important for business owners to take advantage of this time to put to rest what is no longer benefiting our business, to instill fresh new habits. It's a rebirth for your business. Here are some tips that will make a difference for you and your team. Number one, declutter your personal workspace. If you're like me, it's hard to get anything done when the area around me is a mess. It's hard to concentrate. Having the area around you organized will not only make your space look better, but you will feel better. Schedule some time to throw out, scan, and file any loose papers. When those papers do accumulate, productivity and motivation will suffer. Number two, clean out your inbox. Things like emails and other documents pile up quickly. Create a plan to get rid of what you don't want to save and manage incoming emails going forward. Delete unnecessary documents and folders. You will be more efficient. Think about creating specific folders to sort your documents. Number three, tidy up your website. Your business has probably grown or changed in the last year or two. Take time to look at your website for things that don't align with your business's current brand. Clean your physical or retail office space. Go beyond to deep clean your office and/or retail space. Reorganize inventory. And number five, freshen up your marketing strategies. Invest in social media and automated email marketing like Constant Contact or MailChimp. And number six, organize your social media accounts. After taking time to clean up your marketing strategy, you can update your social media platforms. This is the perfect time to tighten any loose ends. Make sure your online presence is a positive reflection of your business. Giving your business a good, thorough cleaning is a great way to give your business a positive energy and more success. The depth of your spring cleaning should be focused on improving the customer experience and improving profits. If you like what you've heard today, contact me for a complimentary session and we can talk about refreshing your business. Take care.